Welcome to SlickPick Gaming. In this video, I'm going to focus on one of the most unique features in the program, the slip printer. This is the feature that prints your picks directly onto your official state Powerball playslip. No filling in bubbles by hand. We'll also take a quick look at the color management system in the analyzer. Let's get into it. Start by going to slickpickgaming.com and opening the SlickPick Gaming Powerball Analyzer. Check the jackpot button right here. Click it, and it takes you directly to the official Powerball website in a new tab, so you can see what tonight's jackpot is worth. Close that tab, and you're right back here. The program automatically fetches the latest draw history when it opens. If the auto-fetch doesn't connect, a manual download window will appear. Just follow the prompt to download the CSV file from ny.gov and load it manually. Either way, you are ready to go. Before we get to the slip printer, a quick look at the color coding in the Analyzer tab. The numbers in the analysis table are highlighted in different colors representing statistical tiers. The most intense color at the top is the top 10%, the hottest numbers. As you move down through the rankings, the color shifts through top 25, top 50, mid-range, and cooler tones at the bottom for less active numbers. Red highlights are actual draw hits in the history. You can customize these colors completely. Scroll to the bottom of the left column in the analyzer and click the Table Colors section to expand it. Click any color swatch to change that tier's color. Drag the opacity slider to adjust the intensity. When you have it set the way you like, hit Save, give it a name, and your custom theme is stored for future sessions. Hit Reset anytime to go back to the defaults. Now let's get to the main event, the slip printer. Click on the Slip Printer tab at the top of the program. The first thing to do is select your state. Click the State drop-down and choose your state from the list. If your state is not yet calibrated, check back regularly as new states are being added with every update. You can also contact us directly, and we will get your state calibrated for you. Click Load Slip, and your state's official Powerball playslip loads into the printer preview. Here is what makes the slip printer so powerful. Instead of taking your generated plays and filling in the bubbles on your Powerball playslip by hand, SlickPick Gaming prints your picks directly onto the official state playslip for you. Your printer marks the correct bubbles automatically. This is a significant advantage if you are playing multiple tickets. Filling in 10 or 20 slips by hand takes time, and it is easy to make errors. SlickPick Gaming handles all of that for you in seconds. Your generated plays from the Smart Picker or Analyzer are already loaded. The Slip Printer preview shows you exactly which bubbles will be marked on each play section of your slip. Now let's talk about calibration, getting your printer aligned so the marks land precisely on the correct bubbles. Start by looking at the print preview right here in the program. The preview shows you exactly where the marks are going to print on the slip image. Study it carefully before printing a single slip. You can get a very good idea of how close your alignment already is just from the preview. When you are ready to calibrate, load one slip into your printer. Loading one slip at a time is important. It ensures your printer picks up the slip the same way every single time. Consistent pickup means consistent alignment. Run a print on that slip. Now take a ruler and measure how far off the printed marks are from the bubbles they are supposed to cover. Measure the horizontal distance. That is your X measurement. Measure the vertical distance. That is your Y measurement. Enter those measurements into the X offset and Y offset controls right here in the calibration window. The program shifts the print position by exactly those amounts. Load a fresh slip, one at a time, and print again. Measure the new result. If the marks need another small adjustment, enter the new measurements into the X and Y offset fields and print again. Repeat this process, print, measure, adjust, until the marks land precisely over the correct bubbles. This may take several slips, and that is completely normal. Every printer is slightly different, and precision calibration takes a few passes to get right. Once your marks are landing perfectly, save your settings as a named printer profile right here. Give it a name, something like Home Printer or Office Printer. Your profile is now saved and ready to reload anytime. You can save multiple profiles, useful if you print from different printers or on different computers. From that point forward, Load your profile, load one slip, hit print. Done. No recalibration needed. Your printer is set up and ready for every session. With your state loaded and your printer profile set, you are ready to print. Feed your official Powerball playslip into your printer. Run a quick check against the preview to confirm your orientation is correct. Hit the print button, and the program sends the alignment marks directly to your printer. The result? Your official state Powerball playslip with all your numbers marked precisely on the correct bubbles. Ready to hand to your lottery retailer. No hand filling, no errors. Fast and clean every time. And that covers two powerful features in SlickPick Gaming: the color coding system that lets you read statistical patterns at a glance and customize them to your preference, and the slip printer that handles your ticket marking automatically. Together, these features make SlickPick Gaming not just an analysis tool, but a complete end-to-end Powerball strategy system. From fetching the latest draw data, to analyzing the statistics, to generating your plays, to printing them directly onto your official slip, the entire workflow lives right here in one program. This is video 4 in the SlickPick Gaming instruction series. Links to all videos in this series are in the description and in the Help tab inside the app. Get SlickPick Gaming at slickpickgaming.com. One-time purchase, $35. Yours forever. Stop guessing. Start analyzing. Good luck out there.